All right, guys, we are back. Now, this video is all about doing subtraction. Subtraction. Oh, let me try to make that a little bit clearer for us. There we go. Subtraction with 3-digit numbers. Ooh, regrouping though. Yikes. This is when I'm telling you it gets complicated. Okay, so just please be prepared. All right, no freaking out. That's not allowed. Okay. All right, let's see. Let me get a new color. I want us to look at this number. 742 minus 215. So remember with subtraction, our first step that we take is to separate the places. We all know how to draw those lines. We are so good at it. So let's separate those places. I'm trying to make this clear for us. It keeps refocusing and I don't like it. All right, so I separated my places. And now with subtraction, remember, we learned it yesterday. We only draw the top number. So that means we only draw this top number, this 700. So we have 7 flats. All right, my 700. And now my 4 rods and my 2 ones, my 2 units. All right, here we go. Here's the hard part now. Now we're gonna cross out the bottom numbers. So we look at this 5. We always start with our ones place value. Do I have 5 ones that I can take away, that I can cross out? No. So remember our key word that we're gonna learn is exchange. Exchange. You're gonna keep hearing me say that word. What does exchange mean? What does exchange mean? That just means we are changing one high place for the next lowest one, but we have to have equal amounts of them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to circle one of my rods. And we know that 1 rod equals 10 units or 10 ones. So I'm gonna exchange a rod, just 1, for 10 units. And I don't want to get this confused anymore, so I'm gonna cross it out because there is my new rod. All right, now I can get to crossing out. Let me see. I was hoping I had a different color marker. I don't though, so we'll use this blue again. Now I want to cross out 5 ones. Oh, let's first make our note. If we don't have enough to cross out, exchange from, we'll call it next door. All right, so I'm gonna cross out now 5 units. So let's cross them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now how many units do I have left? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now I have to cross out how many rods? 1. So I have to cross out 1 rod. You see, I didn't count this one because it doesn't exist anymore. Cross out 1 rod. How many do I have left? I have 1, 2. Good. And now how many hundreds do I need to cross out? Yep, just 2. So let's cross them out. 1 and 2. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ooh, look at that. We are pros. All right, let's look at another one. If Braden, let's pretend that Braden has $654. He's rich. But he wants to buy some cool new toy. I don't know what it is, what boys are into now. But it cost him $372. An expensive toy, but he saved up his money. How much money does he have left? All right, let's look. We have to separate the places. Should be seeing everybody's notebook look just like mine. All right, I separated the places, and now I just have to draw the top number since I'm working with subtraction. So let's draw 654. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now how many rods? Yeah, I heard them. We have 5 rods. And then how many ones? 4. Good job, guys. All right. And now, let's look. We're going to start crossing out numbers. How many ones am I going to cross out? Yeah, I heard somebody. I said to cross out 2. Do I have 2 to take away? Sure do. So how many ones am I left with? 1 and 2. All right, now we have 7 rods. Let's see. We have to cross out 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no, I don't have enough, guys. So what do I have to do? Well, I need to circle a 10. And how many rods does that make? Does that flat make? Yeah, it's always going to be 10. So let's draw those 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Whoa, that's a lot of rods. But now I have to cross this one out because we're not using it anymore. And how many am I going to cross out? Yeah, I'm going to cross out 7. So let's cross out 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now how many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now how many hundreds do I have? Oh, I have to cross out 3. Let's cross them out. 1, 2, and 3. How many do I got left? Yeah, just 2. And that is my answer, guys. Ooh, y'all are smart today. All right, we're gonna do maybe one more example. Because subtraction is hard, it takes a lot of time. All right, let's pretend that Miss Key has, oh, I like the number 6 apparently. 624, let's say ponytails. I have tons of them just floating around in my house. But my cat, she chews up because she is mean. She chews up 158 of them. Oh, yeah, it was a mess when I got here. How many does she have left? All right. Our first step with subtraction, we always know we gotta separate those places. Y'all are all shouting it, I bet. All right, I separated my places. And now I just have to draw my top number because I'm working with subtraction. So let's draw 600. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now I have 2 rods and 4 ones. Remember, I don't have to draw this number. That's what I'm going to be crossing out. So let's look. We got to start crossing out, or try to at least. How many ones am I going to cross out? Yeah, 8. Uh-oh, but I only have 4. What do I have to do? Yeah, I heard somebody out there. We have to exchange. We're going to exchange one of those rods for 10 ones. And 10. We're going to exchange that rod, became 10 ones. And now I have 8 to cross out. So let's cross out 8 of them before we get confused. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, I always start crossing out in my ones place value. How many do I have left? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is when our pictures come in really big handy. So make sure you're showing your work. Now I had to cross out 5 10s, but I only have 1 left over. Yikes. So I'm going to exchange, 100. I'm going to exchange it for how many 10s? How many rods? Yeah, I hear people. I hear you. We're going to exchange it for 10 rods. 10. All right, and now we're just going to cross out 5 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's count how many rods we have left altogether. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't forget that one little 6 to make it 6. All right, we are pros at this. Now, we're just going to cross out 1 flat and count how many we got left. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oof, man alive. Y'all are some smart cookies. I'm so proud of y'all. All right. Now I'm going to give y'all a few practice problems for you to do on your own, but you remember you can always check with my answers once you submit your own. All right, good luck everybody.